Hello. How many out there, when they see a row of numbers like this, and your teacher asks you, what is the mean, what is the median, what is the mode, and what is the range of these numbers, it makes you blank out. How many of you who's watching this and who sees this just simply don't know what to do? Well, I was there, and I found a simple way to help you understand how to find the mean, median, mode, and range of numbers. So today I'm going to show you how to do that in a simple, effective way, and also how to understand what you're doing, okay? And what does this all mean, okay? Like always, it's always good to understand that the purpose of this video is to help you understand better math and to keep math simple. So have no fear. If you're struggling with this right now, have no fear. I'm here to keep math simple. I'm the math guy. We're going to get right into it. We're going to have some fun. And we're going to learn. Okay? So let's begin. So this is a row. This is a row of numbers that was chosen, that was given to me online. And I found it interesting to use. So we're going to do step by step. So first, the mean. The first thing I do, before I do any of this thing, one of the first things to do, I like to keep things in order. So what I like to do is I like to organize this from least to greatest. So I find the smallest number first, 3, and I write that down here. The next number, 4. Then the next, 5. There's 3 5s. And I got 6 and 8. So one of the first things I do is I like to if I have a list of numbers like this, it's good to organize them from least to greatest. All right. When you have that from least to greatest, it helps you to organize and do find the mean, median, mode, and range of everything quite easier. It's the same. It's like in real life. What is easier to find things in, when a room is disorganized, or if a room is organized really well, and you're able to find your video games here, your books here, your pencils here. It's so easy that when you close your eyes and you pick the thing out from the dark, you're able to find, with a guarantee that it's there. Okay? So the same thing I'm doing here. We do that in a way so that you can understand it, so you can find what you need faster. Okay? So now we have the numbers in order. Okay? So now the numbers are in order, so we need to find the mean. Mean is just simply mean the average. So the mean here is you need to add all the numbers up and then divide it by how many numbers you have. So here we have 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 numbers. So first, add up 2 numbers at a time. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 plus 5 is 10. 5 plus 6 is 11. And I bring down this 8. Add these two, gives me 17. I'm adding them. 17 plus 11. Actually, let me just do 11 plus 8 first. 11 plus 8 is 19. 17 plus 19 gives me 36. Okay? Alright, let me erase this right here. So 36 divided by 7, since we have 7 numbers here, in case some of y'all ask for what that mean later, I divide that by 7, so I could give me the mean. So when I divide it, 36 divided by 7, 7 could go into 36 5 times, because 7 times 5 equals 35. It gives me a 1. I put a decimal place here, bring down to 0, and 7 goes into 10 only 1 time. Closely. So it gives me 3, and the cycle keeps continuing. 4. So what I'm going to do, I give an estimate that the mean is approximately 5.1. Okay? So I'm going to write that down here. The mean equals 5.1. Okay? So we got that down pack. Now we need to find the median. So I'm gonna erase this so we got more room to see the rest. Okay? Now, and the rest is on top, good. Okay, next, median. When it talks about median, it means that the number that's directly in the middle, in between all the numbers. That's why you see the points of having it all organized. If it's not organized, if it's not from least to greatest, and you just pick the median like that, you're gonna have an inaccurate answer. So when you put it from least to greatest, when you do the median, you get your answer is much more accurate and precise. Okay. So here the median, it's easier when it's odd numbers. So since it's only 7 numbers here, right? So the middle number in this case is 5. So your median is equal to 5. But when there's 2 numbers, but when there's an even number, then you have to add the 2 numbers in the middle and then divide it by 2. And then it will give you the median in between those 2. Okay? So we got the median. Now the mode. Mode, simple. It's basically how much of a number repeats in this order of numbers. So there has to be one number that stands out the most. Okay? So what number here repeats the most? Only 5. So 5 is the mode here. Okay, looking like 5 is the winner here so far. And the range. So range is basically you have to subtract the greatest number from the least number. So in this case, the biggest number here is 8. See, the purpose of organizing in order, it helps you a lot. The greatest number, subtracting the least. So this subtracts from this. So 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So our range is 5. So our mean is 5.1. So our mean is 5.1. Our median is 5. Our mode is 5. And our range is 5. Now I just want to be clear that not every time you have a mean, median, mode, and range, it won't always be the same number. It just happened to be that for this case. But usually you get a different array of numbers. Okay? So if you feel that you're frustrated when you see these problems and you feel that it's like, whoa, what am I gonna do? Take your time. Do step by step. Always ask questions. Always learn. And always come back to this channel so you can keep learning and growing better. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and to ask questions. Asking questions together, we can learn better together and also further develop the understanding of math. And most important, keep math simple and apply it in real life. Okay? So if you like this video, please subscribe, please share, and please tell everybody. Okay? I'm the Math Guy. It's a pleasure working with y'all. And thank you for everybody who's been supporting the videos and the channel. I owe a lot of gratitude for everybody who's been here, sharing, and learning from this video. Okay? Take care. Until next time.